What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we will take a look on Pumpkinhead friends. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And let me clear that it's not right. So do what you read, study this platform and take your time. And if you think you can generate better return, so you can jump in early, but it's not a financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes. So I will provide you all the information, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in the next few minutes I will guide you how basically you can join that. If you click on X, so you can see here all details are there on Twitter. All posts, all tweets will be there, and you will be able to get more details regarding this platform. And if you scroll down a bit, so you will see all the details. You can see here 69 indicating golden on early spot edition NFTs, and the very first one. And you can see here either you get one with a nice smile and or intent, one with 40 traits, and you can see here 0.025 Ethereum, maximum 1 per wallet. And next you can see here, if you scroll down a bit, there are much more informations are available for you, and you will be able to get more detail. It's very important to understand each and everything, and tutor is the backbone. We will be able to get all details regarding that, and it's perfect to jump in early and get more detail. You can see here $30 giveaways time. Wish you all the great new week. And then next, if you scroll down a bit, so you will see more details. Here we go. You can see here, guys, narrative Matt Fury's character, and next burn 4.66%. It's equivalent to 5k USDT, and call this my eternal 29k MC. So these are the information, and next all details are there. It's your responsibility to verify each and everything, because it's very important to understand and study the platform, because it's a matter of your investment. So it's very important to visit all the details, guys, right? So these are the information that I provide you, and I hope so you briefly understand about that. And I will post all the links in description also. You can get more detail from there. Okay, next you can see here, if we click on DAX screener, so we will check out the four charts. You can see here all details, the price detail. You can jump in on DAX screener and you can get more details about that. Okay, next you can see here the further options are available with Matt Fury, and you can get more details about that. Next you can see here it's listed on CoinGecko. You can see here the price chart at the moment 0.0001137, and you can see here it's short supply, market cap, each and everything is mentioned here, so you can visit that and get more detail. Okay, next you can see here, guys, so you can join their YouTube channel also. You can visit that. You can open these details and you will be able to get more information also. I'm sure it's helpful for you, and when you open that you can get more details regarding that. So these are the information, so that's very important. And their Telegram and their Twitter, all links are very important to understand and watch that, and you will be able to get more details also. So here you can see here their Telegram, and you can click on Telegram and you will be able to get more information regarding that. So at the moment on my PC I don't have the Telegram that, so you can click via your mobile and you will be able to get more details. Lots of community, a huge community there. You can visit that, and you can be the part of their Telegram, and hope so you will be able to get more information regarding that. So keep in mind that it's very, very important to understand each and everything before investing. So it's very important. So it's a matter of your investment. I already asked you that it's very important to verify each and everything. So you can see here, if you open the DAX screen, each and everything will be there, and you can see its price chart, each and everything, and looks to me it's quite promising. And you can visit on 𝐂𝐂𝐃 also, and you can see all the details are there, and I hope so you briefly understand about that when you visit that. And here the question and the answer available, and you can get the answer the question at the same time by clicking on that, and I'm sure you will be able to get more information regarding this project. So hope so you briefly understand, guys. If there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this platform. I will post all the links in the description. So hope so you briefly understand. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.